Hi, this is Billy Zell with Synergy One Lending. Okay, this is the last of the condo video. So VA is very interesting. It's very easy. Once it's approved on their LGY website, if it shows approved, you're good. The underwriter might consider delinquency and owner occupancy percentages, but there's nothing in writing. So they would have to pick up on that to have that become an issue. Also, if it's FHA approved, I can get a VA approved within a few days. If you want to do the full approval, you can't do it on an individual unit. They're going to look at the declarations, the covenants, the bylaws, the budget, the current financials, and the minutes, the HOA. So you're going to have requirements within each one of those. So you better have a very cooperative HOA. I wouldn't even head down this. And it's probably, from what I understand, it used to be they could do it in 30 days with COVID. I understand it's much longer than that. So this might be more of something next year if the market was to slow down where sellers are willing to hang around 45 or 60 days while you get it done, because all the documents have to be signed off by a lawyer at the VA. So we send it to the Denver Hawk. FHA approvals, they say you can get them done in a month. I haven't tested it, but that's the individual condo approval. Same requirements, 50% investor, 50% concentration, 15% delinquency. In addition to that, 10% of the units max owned by one person. 10% of the overall revenues must go to reserves. You got to have your blanket coverage on the insurance that covers 100% of the complex. I did have that happen once where we had to get it bumped up right before closing, where 5 other people had closed FHA and my previous company caught it, so good for them. $1 million in general liability, that's the same as a conventional loan, plus fidelity insurance is required with 20 or more units. Now, VA, pretty much you cannot have any kind of leasing restrictions. It's very difficult in the covenants. With FHA, they will allow you to put leasing caps, so the max amount of leasing that's allowed in the complex. VA, that's a kick out. You have to be able to lease. Minimum, maximum rental terms, except on the lease, you can't go under 30 days. So if the complex says the minimum is under 30 days, then it's not going to be a FHA approved complex. No condo tells, cannot let the HOA have anything to do with the approval. So the HOA cannot bless the client. They can't look at the credit. They can't look at the references. HOA has to stay out of it, or it's an automatic kick out. And the HOA cannot have, cannot have the authority to void a lease. So anyway, that's kind of a quick overview on government loans, but the deal is if they're on the approved website, we're going to be fine. If they're not, you better have some time and you better have a cooperative HOA or you're going to have issues. Any questions, give me a call, 720-617-7720.